हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। कैसे हो आप सभी? आई होप कि आप बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं इंडस वैली की ओर से बायो ऑर्गेनिक के कुछ प्रोडक्ट मैंने ट्राई आउट किए हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं इनकी रिव्यू। तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो है वो है इंडस वैली बायो ऑर्गेनिक की ग्रो आउट हेयर ऑयल फॉर फुलर, थिकर एंड हेल्दियर हेयर, और साथ ही इसके साथ है ग्रो आउट हेयर शैम्पू भी। तो सबसे पहले हम इन दोनों की रिव्यू देख लेते हैं। इंडस वैली बायो ऑर्गेनिक ग्रो आउट हेयर ऑयल प्रोवाइड्स वाइटल न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू योर hair follicles to restore hair's natural balance, thereby rejuvenated your hair health. It improves microcirculation in the follicles, stimulating the growth metabolism of hair cells, and increases the production of tyrosinase enzyme which produces hair pigment. Indus Valley Bioorganic Grow Out Hair Oil is 100% natural, made from premium quality herbs. Let's see how to use it. Apply a few drops of Indus Valley Bioorganic Grow Out Hair Oil to your balding or thinning hair area. Gently massage your with fingertips. Leave it overnight for your scalp to absorb its goodness. Rinse thoroughly with mild shampoo in the morning. Massage with grow out hair oil every night for 8 weeks. Use 3 to 4 times a week to maximize result. Use in large quantity. For better results, use Indus Valley's Bioorganic Grow Out Shampoo followed by Grow Out Oil. I have also tried Indus Valley's Bioorganic 100% pure aloe vera gel for young and radiant skin and hair. It works wonderfully for blemishes if applied at night. Use it daily to keep your skin young, radiant and healed. I hope this video will help you out, and I will provide the link of the products in the description box. You can check it out. And I really like the aloe vera gel too. If you are looking for a good aloe vera gel for your skin and hair, you should definitely go for it, as it is a organic aloe vera gel, so the benefit will be more to the skin and hair both. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.